What up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a double backflip on a trampoline. Easy. Yes, let's go. So, how to do a double backflip, guys. I just kind of relearned a double backflip. I'm not super comfortable with them, to be honest. I can still do a double backflip, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's dive right into the video. What you want to be able to do before you can do a double backflip is you want to be able to do a backflip really easy, all right? So you should have a backflip with a decent amount of height, just kind of like this. That should be good, okay? Not so much height, but enough to where you have time, okay? So easily be able to do a backflip. That's the first thing, okay? The second thing is you should do a backflip in basically a quarter. So basically what it is just like that, all right? If you can do that, those two things, fairly easy, especially that last one, you should be able to do a double backflip. So double backflips are scary, guys. You're literally doing two flips in the air like you saw. I'm even a little bit nervous to try one, but you gotta go for it, guys. You just gotta commit and you're gonna be fine as long as you hold your tuck long enough to where, you know, you're gonna get around, all right? So the best thing to do is just be confident with it and don't think about it too much, okay? So I'll just show you it. Oh shoot. See? That was not good at all. Yeah. Crumb. Alrighty. I'm 21 years old. I don't like to do as many crazy flips as I used to do. And I just let go too early. So honestly, just don't be afraid and just kind of go for it, you know, have confidence and really just send it, guys. That's really it. I just kind of hurt my knee right there, so it's all good, but really there's no technique to it. You just gotta, you know, basically hold your tuck a lot longer than a double backflip, than a single backflip, obviously, and flip faster. All right. I was very nervous to try that. Be honest. But you know what, guys? Let's see. Yeah, I'll do another one, guys, for you, just for you guys. Yes, let's go. Let's go, guys. Alrighty. So that's real, guys. I just relearned it. So literally, and I'm 21 years old, which, you know, I'm pretty, you know, I'm not as, I mean, when I was younger, I would try things like crazy, you know, more, but now I have more, I have more thought, and I have more feeling of like, I don't really want to get hurt because I kind of want to do things, you know, and plus, you know, I'm heavier, I'm bigger, but glad I landed it. You can too. Just don't overthink it. That's the best advice I can give you. Really, just don't just keep bouncing and just like be scared about it, because you might screw up that way. So basically, just kind of huck it and just kind of send it. And once you get over the fear one time, if you're pretty fearless, then you're gonna be able to do it and get, you know, better and better. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. God bless. Have a great rest of your day. Click the link in the description for my story. Also, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos. God bless.